Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in this video, it's all about my Boxycharm box for August. So if you want to see what I received from Boxycharm, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, it's Boxycharm time. It's Boxycharm time. Yes, I just got home and I checked my mail and I got my box from Boxycharm for the month of August. I had just watched a couple videos, so there's some goodies in here I'm hoping that I got. I'm hoping, but we will see. I'm hoping, but we will see. I'm so excited. So I got my handy dandy knife right here. We're gonna cut this little bad boy open. Cut it open, and voila! There's the August Boxycharm box. So let's see. Opening the box inside, you see we have a little insert. I don't ever really read the insert, but look! It matches my background, sis! Like, hello, hello, hello. Nice colors. They know me so well. Not just playing, but yes, it matches my background. And I see some goodies right here. So we're going to get into this box. And first up, I got the Becca Hydrating Mist Set and Refresh Powder in Golden Bronze. Yay! So earlier today, I was watching a video from a fellow YouTuber, Catherine McCarty, and she got this in her box, and I was like, ooh, I hope I get that. I hope I get that. And luckily, I got my box today, and I got it. Yes, so this is what she looks like. And it looks like it's a nice color for me. So let's see and test her out. And look at the packaging, just so cute and sleek, you guys. You see that? Like, yes. Okay. So, has a little pop cover. It says, keep me close to keep me cool. And we're going to pop this cover open. Then it has like this little, the little paper thing you got to peel off. Let's see. Ooh, okay, she peeled off all right. And she got a little everywhere. Trying to drop some powder down, because she did get everywhere. Alright, so I'm just going to close her back up because I'm not trying to waste her, probably from shaking it and stuff. But I got some powder on my finger. You can see. Okay, we're not going to do the bronze part. We're going to do this part. We can go right here, you guys, because this part isn't too bronzy. So she look, yeah. That is definitely my color right there. And just buff her in. She's very soft. Very soft. Light powder, retouch powder. So I'm going to try her out tomorrow and see how she does on a wear test. But I'm very excited about this, and I can't wait to try her out. So basically, it's like it's supposed to hydrate your face like a mist, but it's a refreshing powder. It says set and chill, an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help it extend wear. The weightless powder sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% of water, the powder makes your skin look awakened and fresh upon application. Use as a refreshing setting powder to warm up the complexion. Yes, so definitely going to be trying this out tomorrow, okay? Next up, it looks like there is some Glimmer eyeshadows by Ace Beauty. And I got the shades Huckleberry and the shade French Vanilla. So we have Huckleberry, French Vanilla. And I will do a swatch. So Huckleberry is just really pretty, smooth and creamy. I have that on my finger. And we are going to swatch her. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh my God, that fuchsia pink with the little glitters. I have a dress that matches this perfectly. It's called something paparazzi from Fashion Nova. It's this same shade of pink with glitter. So that is very, very nice. Right now we're going to go in French Vanilla. And get that on my finger. As you can see right there. And we're going to swatch her right next to this Huckleberry. And yes, she is bright. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. These are some really nice colors. I mean, you can wear these for any time of the year, whether it's summer, spring, or fall. But this French Vanilla is just giving me snowflake vibes. Snowflake vibes, okay? So, yes, very pretty. So, I'm happy about that. Next up, we have, this is by Peach and Lily, the Glass Skin Refining Serum in Translucent plus Luminous. Peach Extract plus Peptide Complex. So, this is what the box looks like. Let's see. It says, glassy, transparent, poreless skin is achieved when the skin is well hydrated and without inflammation and free of radical damage. A revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, y'all know what I'm trying to say, okay? And wild yam, madecassine, yeah, I don't know. Peptides and hyaluronic acid help to hydrate, calm, brighten from the skin. Crystal clear glass skin is yours. Direction: pat on to clean, dry skin. Can be used AM or PM. Okay, so we gonna try this out. It's talking a good game. It's talking about got hyaluronic acid. It's gonna rid my skin from inflammation, radical damage, and just keep it nice and hydrated and smooth and firm and brighten and calm it. Okay, so we're gonna try this out since you want to talk a big game, and we're gonna see if it works, because yeah, I'm very, very interested to see how this does, because it just sounds really, really, really nice. But we're gonna see. We gonna see. I might do like an update video on this, okay? And I got next item up is a lip pencil from Steve Laurent in the color Vogue. So she looks like. She goes. And do a nice little. It's a very nice color. It's like a pinky brown. It's very nice. Something that I can definitely wear on a regular basis. And then last but not least, we got the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil by Wander Beauty. So this is what she looks like. And let's open her up. Illuminating Face Oil. I'm gonna put her in my palm. Ooh, it's pink. You see that? She drops out pink, you guys. Look at that. A light little pink. A bubblegum pink. Okay, yeah, she is. She feels more watery than an oil. But she has like these shimmers in her. It's not very strong shimmers, because as you see, I rubbed it in and it's a little luminous, but not as much. But yeah, I'm excited to try that out on my face under my makeup and see what it do. I'm gonna put some more on just to see. So let's put her on the arm right here. Just another little drop. It's a little oil, and then just rub that on. Yeah, she's luminous. Not as luminous as those luminous drops, but okay. Very nice. So I'm excited about everything that came out that box. It's very, very nice. These were really prettier than I thought they would be. On camera, that just doesn't do it justice. But yeah, it's very pretty because this looks like it's straight silver. But when you put it on, it's blue. Very beautiful. And then, yes, I'm definitely excited to try this out. I'm going to play with her a little later because I think I got her all over the place at the top and don't want to get it all over my little area. And then definitely want to try this out and see how it's going to do my skin. Is it going to plump it up, make it firm and luminous and, you know, glass skin, make me look like a porcelain doll? We going to see. We're gonna see, okay? So yes, and this lippy is perfect for me. So everything in this box, yes, it's a yes. I would use it. Thumbs up if I didn't get this box. These are items that I probably would have purchased. Probably not. I probably would have purchased this one and not this one because in the case it's just not, doesn't do it justice. But when you put it on, like, come on, girl. Okay. So yes, I was very happy with this box. And shout out to Catherine McCarty because she just had me so excited once I watched her video. So yes, I was so excited about that. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And till next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.